I'm Brittany with WTI, and I'm definitely someone that likes to mix it up a little bit. And I was in great need of a new mixer, and I'm so happy that I found this mixer by LILPARTNER. The things that I absolutely loved about the design is it comes with this cute, clear stand for the mixer. It fits all the different attachments. The bread or dough hooks, the classic mixer, and also a whisk. It all fits into this container, and then the mixer can actually be placed on this as a stand, and it's just right there when you put it away and you store it. It has a great handle. It's so easy to grab onto because it doesn't connect to the back part of it, so it's very easy to slide your hand on and off of it. It's got 5 speed settings, also a turbo button and an eject button. What's great about this is that you can use this with such a variety of things. If you are making a bread, pancake batter, or whisking up a creamy frosting. I appreciate how everything is right there for you, compact, easy to store. I was very impressed with everything about this mixer, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.